Ever stop to ponder what happens when you take that first bite of your favorite dish? It's not just about the explosion of flavors that hit your palate. Each morsel of food you consume affects your body in a myriad of ways. Today we delve into the fascinating world of food science and its impact on our health. Food science is a vast field that encompasses the study of the chemical, biological, and physical makeup of food. It's not just about what we eat, but how our bodies interact with it. This process begins the moment we take our first bite. As we chew and swallow, our bodies kickstart a complex process of digestion. The food is broken down into its constituent parts, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are then absorbed by our bodies, providing the much-needed fuel for our cells. But the saga of food and the body doesn't end there. The kind of food we choose to consume can have far-reaching effects on our health. For instance, a diet laden with saturated fats can increase the risk of heart disease. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help shield us from certain types of cancer. Food preparation and cooking methods also play a crucial role in the food science ecosystem. The way we prepare and cook our food can alter its nutritional content. Some cooking techniques can even lead to the formation of harmful compounds. By delving into the science of food, we can make informed decisions about our diet. Reading food labels, understanding the nutritional content of various foods, and being aware of how different cooking methods affect the nutritional value can all help us make healthier choices. In conclusion, the journey of food from the plate to the body is a fascinating scientific process. It's not just about the taste or the satisfaction we derive from eating. It's about how our bodies interact with the food, how different foods can impact our health, and how informed choices can lead to better health. So the next time you take a bite, remember, there's a world of science happening right on your plate.